To close, we'll be looking at two controversial topics in urban geography: gentrification and slums. Gentrification is the process of making changes in a neighborhood in order to increase the economic value of the neighborhood by attracting more affluent residents and businesses. This is a very controversial topic in urban planning with its pros and cons. Gentrification can bring value to a city by increasing property values, stabilizing declining areas by reducing crime and vacancy rates, and overall make the neighborhood more appealing. However, in the process of doing so, it removes sources of affordable housing which displace residences through price increases. Overall, these increases in property prices result in increased homelessness and increased costs to local services. Here's an example of gentrification in Praga district in Warsaw, where we can see the new apartment complex built beside an older, worn-down building. Informal settlements and urban slums are neighborhoods that are not planned by a recognized planning authority. These are typically found in large cities of lesser developed countries where the formation of slums are caused by rapid population growth, poverty, and a lack of planning. Some common characteristics of slums is that they'll have a lack of basic services, have substandard housing, have illegal or inadequate dwellings, are overcrowded, have very high density, which contributes to having unhealthy living conditions, and are often insecure, informal, and built in hazardous locations. However, it is important to note that despite the poor living conditions in slums, people choose to live there, as living in slums often makes slum dwellers' life better off. By living in a city, it provides them with higher economic prospects, and the benefit they can get from living in an urban environment can be several times higher than income from agriculture.